I was sent some terpene candy to review. Let's check it out. Now this candy has no THC, no CBD, and it's made with just terpenes. Looks like they got some promotional material here. Power of Terpenes. What are terpenes? Terpenes are found naturally in plants, and terpenes provide flavor, scent, and color. They're the building blocks and source of many benefits of essential oils. 3 of the most common terpenes are limonene, myrcene, and pinene. Limonene may elevate mood, provide stress relief, act as an anti-inflammatory, and help increase the absorption of other terpenes. Myrcene. Studies show myrcene has anti-inflammatory properties, is great for pain relief, and eases stress. Pinene. Research shows pinene aids in memory retention, acts as a bronchodilator, and has anti-inflammatory effects. The power of terpenes. Terpenes, CBD, and hemp. Terpenes are best known for their importance in the hemp plant and play a crucial role in how CBD and other cannabinoids affect the brain. Those are the same terpenes found in many plants beyond hemp. The Entourage Effect. The Entourage Effect is the synergistic interaction of the terpenes to provide a better experience. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts, i.e., terpenes enhance the effects of hemp. Flavor with a purpose. Experience the power of terpenes. So we got the candy here. Our premium terpene complex is the complete package. Terps candies are designed to revitalize and live in your day with sweet relief for your taste buds. What are terpenes? Found naturally in plants, terpenes are the building blocks of essential oils, provide flavor, scent, and color. Experience the power of terpenes. This candy contains cinnamon, limonene, and pinene, processed in a facility that uses milk, eggs, fish, crustaceans, shellfish, tree nuts, wheat, peanuts, and soybeans. So if you're allergic to anything, watch out. No high fructose corn syrup, fully vegan, made by terpscandy.net. The ingredients are sugar, light corn syrup, natural flavors, natural color, and olive oil. The terpene entourage, terps candy, sweet relief flavor, hard candy, limonene, myrcene, pinene, 14 pieces of citrus berry, terpene infused hard candy. As always, each product sponsor or review gets onto the wall. If you're interested in sponsoring a video or having me do a review, just check out the About section in my YouTube channel, and you'll see an email where you can contact me. Got a flyer here. Terp Industries. What are terpenes? Found naturally in plants, terpenes provide flavor, scent, and color. As the building blocks of essential oils, terpenes have also been shown to boost immune health and are the key players in what's called the Entourage Effect. The Entourage Effect is the synergistic interaction of all the different plant compounds to produce a better experience. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Citrus berry. A buzzing citrus flavor bursts forward from our limonene-infused berry blend. Citrus berry is a delicious, handcrafted, quality hard candy made with limonene, which can elevate mood and provide stress relief, as well as help increase the absorption of other terpenes. Myrcene, which studies have shown myrcene has anti-inflammatory properties, may help pain relief and promote relaxation, as well as pinene, which research has shown to be a bronchodilator, as well as anti-inflammatory effects as well. Terp Industries is a passionate and dedicated team excited to bring terpenes to their customers through fun, innovative, and helpful products. Check them out at terpscandy.net. Alright, well, let's try out the candy. Open up the package here. Smells like tea. Let's try one out. Not very sweet. A little sweet, but not very. Definitely taste the cinnamon. It's very light, candy. More like a tea. It's like someone turned some tea into candy. Like taste of citrus, but I'm a big sweets fan myself, so this isn't really sweet enough for me. Definitely more up the alley as someone looking for, I don't know, candy that's not too sweet. It's not bad, I like it, but now each one piece of candy is 15 calories, 0 trans fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 cholesterol, sodium, 4 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of sugar. Well, that's it. Terpene candy. Didn't know it was a thing, now you do. Go try some at terpscandy.net.